In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add template to Quantower. In Quantower, what many traders think of as a template is best handled through workspaces. A workspace captures your entire layout, your charts, indicators, and bindings, so you can return to the exact same setup anytime with just a couple of clicks. Start by configuring everything exactly the way you want it. Open the charts you use most, set your preferred timeframes, apply your indicators with the parameters you trust, and arrange your panels so they're easy to read at a glance. If you rely on bindings to link charts or tools, make sure those links are in place and working. Take a moment to fine-tune details like color themes, drawing tools, scales, and any symbol linkages. The goal is to get your layout looking and behaving precisely the way you'd like it to reappear later. Once your setup is dialed in, move to the top toolbar and locate the Workspace icon. Right-click that icon to open the Workspace menu. From there, choose Save As. Using Save As ensures you create a brand new, reusable layout entry, preserving what you have on screen right now without overwriting anything you may already use. When prompted, enter a clear, memorable name, something like My Layout, or include specifics such as the timeframes or strategy focus so you can recognize it instantly in the future. Good naming makes it easier to switch contexts quickly. After naming it, click Save. Quantower stores this workspace, so it's available across sessions, which means even after you close and reopen the platform, your layout remains one selection away. When you want to load your template later, return to the Workspace icon on the top toolbar and open it. You'll see your saved workspace in the list. Select it, and Quantower will restore your entire environment. Chart windows, panel positions, bindings, and indicator settings, just as you saved them. If you're moving from another layout, you may be prompted to save changes before switching. Choose what makes sense based on whether you want to keep any quick adjustments you've made. This simple workflow makes it easy to build dedicated layouts for different tasks, like a fast day trading screen and a separate deep analysis setup. If you refine your layout over time, you can save it again under the same name to update it, or use Save As to create a new variation while keeping the old one intact. And that's all it takes to add a template-like workspace in Quantower. Configure, save as, name it, and load it whenever you need a consistent, reliable trading environment.